We're here with Mr. Ronny Rowland, the now retired manager of Prentiss County Electric Power Association here in Booneville, Mississippi. And tell me about when you started with the co-op and maybe why you started with the co-op.
I had an interest in electricity and kind of read about and learned about electrical engineering. And so I was fortunate I was able to go to a Northeast Mississippi Community College here in Booneville. And then my second 2 years I went to Mississippi State and got my electrical engineering degree. At that time, I'd gotten married my senior year. And so we wanted to come back home, basically to Prentiss County. And the only place I knew of that would use an electrical engineer was electrical co-op. So I put in an application here, continued as an electrical engineer for 7 years, and then in 1982, the board asked me to be the general manager.
When you think back across that time, what are the things that you're most proud of?
Well, the stability of not only my job, but the employees that I hired. And ultimately, when I retired, I had hired every employee with the exception of one. So I had, that opportunity to know that I had worked hard to try to choose good people, to be good long-term employees that has that same idea of wanting to serve customers and get the electricity back on safely, but as soon as possible. Of course, the real excitement came in these last 3 years in being able to design and prepare and construct and connect broadband to people. And it was a real rewarding feature to be able to finish that.
You've been very involved through the years in this co-op, and it's very evident to me and I think others. What drives that for you, or why does that mean so much to you as a person?
Well, I think that goes back to my family, my parents, and how they raised us to serve other people and do things that would benefit our community. But God puts us in places that sometimes we don't expect and what have you. And I really think that He allowed me to come and be hired at this co-op such that I could serve the public here. It just turned out to allow me to work a long, long time.